Did you know that nearly 6 million people in the US are living with Alzheimer's disease? That's a staggering number, and it's only expected to rise. Today, we're diving into how to recognize the early signs of Alzheimer's and dementia, because catching these symptoms early can make a world of difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a really important topic, recognizing Alzheimer's and dementia early. These conditions can be tough not just for those diagnosed, but also for their families. Knowing what to look for can help you get timely intervention and support, so stick around. Now, let's talk about the challenges families face when it comes to identifying early signs of Alzheimer's and dementia. Many people think forgetfulness is just a normal part of aging, but it can be a lot more than that. Those subtle changes in behavior and memory might be overlooked, leading to late diagnoses. This makes it harder to manage the conditions and places a heavier burden on families. Imagine watching a loved one struggle daily, not knowing that those little moments of confusion could be the early signs of something more serious. It's a tough situation, and that's why we need to be aware and proactive. So, what are some of the common early signs and symptoms of Alzheimer's and dementia? Well, memory loss is often the first thing that comes to mind. You might notice someone forgetting recently learned information, or maybe they keep asking the same questions over and over. Confusion is another big one. Maybe they're getting lost in familiar places or struggling to follow conversations. Then there are changes in mood and personality. One day they might be cheerful, and the next, they're irritable or withdrawn. It can be unsettling. Picture this, your loved one, who used to be the life of the party, now prefers to stay home and isolate themselves. These signs can be subtle and easy to dismiss, but taking note of them is crucial. Let me share a story that highlights the importance of early detection. There's a woman named Sarah who noticed her dad was becoming increasingly forgetful. At first, she brushed it off, thinking it was just part of getting older. But as time went on, she realized he was getting lost on his daily walks and sometimes forgot his own grandchildren's names. Concerned, she decided to take him to a doctor. Thanks to her vigilance, they received a diagnosis of early-stage Alzheimer's. With the right support and medication, they were able to make lifestyle adjustments that significantly improved his quality of life. Sarah often says that if she hadn't acted when she did, things could have turned out very differently. This just goes to show how vital it is to recognize the signs early. So, to wrap it up, we discussed some key early signs of Alzheimer's and dementia, like memory loss, confusion, and mood changes. It's so important to be vigilant and proactive when it comes to these symptoms. Early detection can lead to better management and a higher quality of life for those affected. I'd love to hear from you. Have you or a loved one experienced any of these signs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tips on caregiving for those with dementia, make sure to like and subscribe to check out our next video. Thanks for watching and take care.